Hey guys! So today I wanted to do a room tour. I love watching room tours and I've been working hard on my room, so half of it looks really good, the other half not so good. But it's a work in progress. Ever since I moved back from college, my room has kind of been like a mess. So I've been working to get it back to just myself, but I figured I would show you guys the nice part. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what you see when you first walk into my room. So we'll just start off right here. So this is my counter space. Really messy, but basically I keep all of my makeup right here, and I got these things at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, and they just like hold all my makeup, everything possible. And then here I have my brush holder, and this I also got from TJ Maxx, and it's perfect. It just holds all my brushes, and I just do it by different sizes. So I have my bigger ones here and then my smaller ones here. This is pretty ugly, but I think I got it from Marshall's, but it just holds my jewelry and stuff. I'm hoping to get a clear one so it matches with my makeup. And then here I have all of my hair and like skincare stuff. Here I have my mirror, and it's a light up one, so super perfect, my little ring light. And then I have, of course, my lovely Stormtrooper water bottle, because I'm always drinking water. And then moving on over here, so this is like my, I call it my Pinterest wall. And so this one right here, I actually made this. I got this template from Pinterest, and then I just printed it on cardstock paper. I got this hanger from, I think, TJ Maxx or something, and they actually sell this on Urban for like 10 bucks, just the print. And you can totally just make this off of Pinterest and just some cardstock paper for like literally $2-3. That's a magazine print. I just ripped it out of a magazine. This is a little Polaroid thing. And then I made this little thing with a pin and then a clothespin. I just hot glued them together. This little sign is from Target. This is also from Target. This is from a magazine, I believe. This was a gift, but I'm pretty sure it's from Michaels. This is just like my little diploma holder that is from Target. This I also made, so all I used was twine and little pins, and then I used the clothespins to hold all my Polaroids up, and it's super cute. Here's another diploma holder from Target. Again, just using the clothespins and the twine and my thumbtack things. This little calendar is from Target. This frame is also from Target, and that's my dog. And then this actually lights up. Boom, and it says "Killing It," and this is also from Target. I clearly really like Target. Down here, we have just some more practical things. So this little thing is from Target. This is from Typo, and it's just like a little mannequin thing. That's like my pen holder, and I actually DIY'd that little marble effect. Super easy. I could do a tutorial on that. Super easy to do if you guys are interested. A little bobblehead from the Giants, and then this little and sign is from Michaels. Down here I have my frame. This is from Marshall's, and then I have photo albums in the back, and then I have this cute little thing. And fun fact, this is actually a shot glass. I don't know if you can see it, but it says shots. But I just use it on this side, so it's like a mini mason jar kind of thing. And then these little guys I also got from Target, and then I just DIY'd the tops of it so it matches my pencil thing. And then on the bottom I just have like a bunch of random stuff and another little Polaroid glitter thing. And this one is from Urban. and Polaroids. Here I have a little basket and my favorite thing ever. So this is like my OG Pooh Bear. I call him Stinky though. He is like just the perfect neck rest. When I'm on flights or traveling for long hours, I always take him as like my little pillow, and he's just like, he's the best thing ever. Got him from the Disney store. He's like my favorite. Here I've got my plant. So this plant is from Home Depot, and then the planner itself is from Amazon, and I'll try to link everything that I can find online in the description box. So here we have my bed. So I have this tapestry. This is from Urban. I've had this for literally years. And the lights are just regular Christmas lights. You can get them anywhere. My bed frame is from IKEA. Pillows, I got a lot of pillows. But the one in the back, this one's from Target, and the comforter, well, not the comforter, the cover is also from Target. And then I have just my regular pillows, and then these pillows, this one right here with the little zigzag design is from Marshalls, and this one is from Target as well. My comforter set with the little dots is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not sure what brand, but I'll try to figure it out. And then I have my laptop and I have blankets. Just FYI, this is called a weighted blanket, and it's the best thing ever. I think it's, let's see, the brand is Nap. Literally the best thing ever. So it has like beads in it and it's just weighted. So here we have just this last side. So these books, they're just all different types of books. The little create sign at the very top is from Michaels. This little guy right here is from Target, and I just have a bunch of random Polaroids here. Frame here is from Target, and I'm gonna add some more frames. I just haven't had time. Okay, and here we have my little side table. So this is from Target, and it's fake because I can't keep any plants alive. I'm like surprised that my other plant has not died. And then I have my candle. This is from Marshalls probably. It smells super good. And then I have the book that I'm reading right now. It's called Girl Wash Your Face. So good, highly recommend. And then I just have some random Polaroids for, you know, aesthetic reasons. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much my room. I find most of my inspiration through Pinterest and stuff, but yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see some DIY stuff, clothing hauls? I'm actually going to LA in like a week. Do you guys want to see a vlog? I don't know. What do you guys want to see? Please let me know in the comments. Till next time, bye! Fly, take off, little body, go fly, 'cause I want you to